If you snore, you're slowly suffocating to death in your sleep, and your brain is screaming for help every single night. You think snoring is harmless? Just annoying? Wrong. Here's what's actually happening. Your airway is collapsing, cutting off oxygen to your brain. It's called sleep apnea, and it kills 38,000 people every year. When you snore, your throat muscles relax too much, blocking your airway. Your brain panics, sends an emergency signal, and jolts you awake, just enough to breathe again. This happens hundreds of times per night. Every time your brain loses oxygen, you're damaging it permanently. This leads to heart attacks, strokes, and sudden death during sleep. People don't just snore and die, they suffocate slowly over years. If you wake up exhausted, have headaches, or your partner says you stop breathing at night, that's your body's final warning. You're not just annoying them, you're dying. Get a sleep study tonight before your brain runs out of warnings.